In the heart of Southeast Asia, an explorer has stumbled upon a chilling discovery. A structure, seemingly abandoned and neglected, yet designed to resemble a mountain. The building, shrouded in mystery, stands as a ghostly silhouette against the skyline. Inside, remnants of construction materials hint at an unfinished project, now lost to time. Why was this structure created? What purpose did it serve? These questions linger as the explorer navigates the eerie corridors and empty rooms. The design mimics a mountain, an artificial peak rising from the earth. The attention to detail is astounding, yet the purpose remains unclear. Located somewhere in Southeast Asia, the exact location is kept secret to avoid potential controversy. However, many speculate that this enigmatic structure is hidden in Vietnam. But why would anyone build such a structure? Some believe it was meant to be a tourist attraction, a monument, or even a part of a larger, unfinished project. Standing at the peak of this man-made mountain, the explorer can't help but feel a sense of unease. The silence is deafening, the purpose elusive. Was it abandoned due to financial issues? Political reasons? Or perhaps something more sinister? The answers remain buried within the walls of this ghostly structure. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our world, some secrets may never be fully revealed. This mountain-like building is a testament to the enigmatic wonders that still await discovery. Subscribe to our channel and join us as we uncover more of the world's hidden secrets.